I'm going to teach you how to make a bug hotel. First, get a bottle or an empty jug where you can see through it. Or a juice bottle will be fine. It needs to be about this big so the bugs can explore all around it. Now, first of all, put damp dirt inside of it with leaves and sticks and rocks for a little insect or bug to crawl under it and hide. Insects love to crawl under things so that they feel safe, And we like to live in moist environments like roly-poly. Today I created a bug hotel and all the bugs went up under the leaves and twigs. But you're probably wondering, why is that? The reason they do that is because they want to be safe from any predators, so they hide up under there to be safe from any predators like humans, dogs, cats, anything like that, or even other predatory insects. And you can look at them like this in a bug hotel, and just imagine how good it would be. Just imagine for a second. Just imagine. And make sure you have a top open so that insects can leave and come by every day. And like they go in and come out, go in, come out, go in, come out, like that. So make sure no insects get enough air. That's very important. And make sure they have a lot of food and water and a lot of safety. Because if not, they might die. So you better take good care of them. Now, if you can't find any insects in your bug hotel, but you know that you put them in there, which happened to me today, but you'll know that they're under the twigs and rocks where you can't see them, or even maybe in the dirt, so that they'll be safe from predators. They think you are a predator. They think I am a predator. They don't know yet. So I hope you have a wonderful time making a bug hotel, and I hope you have a wonderful evening. P.S. I am happy. Bye.